everyone. My name is Rita Joseph. I'm running for the City 40th Council District, which is located in Prospect Park, Lefferts Garden, Midwood, Kensington Park, Ditmas Park, and Flatbush. I'm a mom of 4, an educator, a community activist. I've been an activist since I was 19 years old. I was able to participate in a rally that had about 150,000 people that I organized with an organization that I co-founded to rescind FDA bad blood rule, which prevented Haitians from donating blood. So I have never looked back ever since. I've always been on the ground fighting, whether it's for education, police brutality, MetroCard cuts towards students, making sure that my community had all that it needs by providing food drive, clothing drive, immigration forums, and different ways for our community to stay connected, providing language access to our community through ESL evening program classes, technology classes for our students, making sure that I am always available and listen to the community by providing all the necessary services that my community needs. So now I'm running for the 40th Council District because I can take all of my lived experience and take it with me to City Hall, whether it's protesting, whether it's legislation, whether it's working with community members and other elected officials. Primary is June 22nd. My website is ritajoseph.com. Early voting starts June 12th, and you can also apply for absentee ballots.